Ever thought that those little home repairs don't really matter? Think again. Small fixes can make a huge difference. Hi, my name is Melina, Rissone, your trusted real estate expert, and today I'm breaking down why those minor home repairs can have a huge impact on the value of your home and your comfort. Let's start with the curb appeal. It's the first thing potential buyers look at, and you want to make a great impression. Simple fixes like a fresh coat of paint, clean gutters, and so forth will make a huge difference, and it really shares that you're well maintaining the property. Next up, the bigger issues, addressing minor problems like leaky faucet or loose handles. Those repairs will save you a lot of money in the long game. And let's talk about comfort. Small things like fixing a squeaky door or sealing a drafty window, that might be trivial, but it will make a big difference. You just feel more pleasant in your property, and it shows you're taking care of the property. Energy efficient updates are also important and what buyers are looking for. If you have a window that is maybe kind of drafty, these small efforts will pay off. Finally, maintaining these little details can increase your home's value, and a well-kept home signals that you're taking good care of the property, potentially raising your price. If you're ready to start with those minor repairs, you can always reach out to me. I do have a few home and handymans available if you needed some help and a helping hand right there. Now, if you like this video, definitely click the little button for us. And also, if you feel like anyone would like to see this as well, please do forward it on to your friends. My name is Melina Rissone, co-maker San Diego.